Hey guys, yeah, welcome back to this video. It's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to buy the new Wakanda Inu coin on your Trust wallet. So as we all know, since the launch of the Wakanda Inu some days ago, this coin has been pumping and a lot of people have been going into this coin, but a lot of people don't really know how to buy this coin and they wish to buy it. So in this video I will show you how you can quickly buy the Wakanda Inu coin on your Trust wallet. So in order to buy the Wakanda Inu coin, we are going to be using three apps. The first one is CoinMarketCap, second one is Trust Wallet, while the third one is Binance. So for the CoinMarketCap, which will be the first app we're going to be using, open it up and just go to the home bar, and on the search option just type for Wakanda Inu. As you can see right here, this is it. So just open it up. As you can see, this coin has been pumping up since the time it was launched. So just scroll down and go to these options that says Binance Smart Chain, and as you can see below here, this is the smart contract for this Wakanda Inu coin. So just copy it, then go over to your Trust wallet to add this coin to your Trust wallet. So I'm just going to open up my Trust wallet. So as for me, I already have this Wakanda Inu coin. Right, as you can see, this token here, I already have it, but I'll show you how you can add it up. So just click on this button right here. Just click on it, open it up, then scroll down to the bottom and click on this one that says add custom token. So just click on it, then change this option that says Ethereum, change it to smart chain, because you are pasting the Binance smart chain contract here. So we'll just paste the contract address here. As you can see it here, Wakanda Inu, this is the symbol, this is decimal. So we are done. Just click on done. So as for you, once you do that, your Wakanda Inu coin is going to show here, as you can see. So what you have to do right now to purchase a Wakanda Inu token is just for you to buy a BNB, convert it to smart chain, and then use it to buy your Wakanda Inu. So in order for us to buy BNB, we are going to be using the third app, which is called Binance. So go over to your Binance app. Right here on Binance, we are going to buy BNB. So I'll go over to my sports trading, and for me to buy BNB, I'll just click on this withdraw. And once I click on withdraw, I'm going to choose that is BNB that I want to withdraw. So I'm just click on it like this, and as you can see, they're asking me for my address. So I'll just go over to my Trust wallet and copy my BNB address for my Trust wallet. So right here now, as you can see, I'll click on this receive option. Then as you can see, this is my address. I'll just copy the address, go over to Binance, paste the address here. So as you can see, let me paste it. So as you can see right here, and they're asking long press to paste for memo. So does this require a memo? On my Trust wallet, it doesn't require a memo. As you can see, they said no memo required. So I'll just go back on my Binance and I'll just choose how much. Okay, I'll paste it again. Then I'm going to select how much I want to send, how many BNB I want to send, but I'll just select max because I want to send all the BNB right here. I'll just click on max. Then as you can see, once I'm done and I'm ready to sell, what I'll just do is just click on this withdraw option, and as you can see, you did not fill the memo, whatever, please confirm that you received, submit, because it doesn't require a memo. So what I'll just do is click on confirm. So once I click on the confirm icon, so I've successfully requested for my BNB to be transacted to my BNB in my Trust wallet. So this will take a little bit of time. So I just have to wait a little while. Then once it's done, I will continue the video. Okay, so as you can see right here, my BNB has been transferred to my Trust wallet. address right here. As you can see right now, if I click on BNB right here on my Trust wallet, as you can see, I have $9 of BNB. So in order to buy the Wakanda Inu, what you have to do is ensure you swap this BNB to Smart Chain. So in order to do that, just click on this icon here, and it's going to take you to the swap session. So as you can see, exchange or swap, just click on swap. Then as you can see, swap BNB to what? You understand? I'm going to choose Smart Chain. As you can see, this is Smart Chain here. I'll choose it. So that being said, just choose Smart Chain. Then I'm going to choose 100% because I want to transfer everything from my BNB to my Smart Chain. So what I'm going to do, I just click on 100% and I'll click on swap. Then to ask me for confirmation and all those things, I'll just click on confirm. So I've successfully swapped my BNB to a Smart Chain. So as you can see right here, if you come to my Smart Chain, as you can see, I have $6.47. They charge me about $3 for their fees. Okay, so now in order to buy the Wakanda Inu coin, firstly go back to your coin market cap and copy the smart contract address for the Wakanda Inu again. And now go back to your Trust wallet. On your Trust wallet, just click on these D apps here and look for Pancake Swap right here. Scroll down, as you can see, this is Pancake Swap. Click on it, and once it loads up, it's going to show me the Pancake Swap area. And as you can see, I'm trying to swap BNB, to another currency, which will be the Wakanda Inu. So I'm going to click on Max. I want to transfer all the BNB I have to the new Wakanda Inu. So what I'm going to do is click on select a currency and now paste that smart contract you copied here. And as you can see, WKD Wakanda Inu token, I've added it right here. And for your slippage tolerance, you can set it to 8. In order to set it, just click on this settings icon and choose here and just put 8% and leave it that way. So once you are done and you look at it that you have confirmed everything, all you just have to do is just click on swap. They'll ask for some confirmation again and all those things, and you are sure that this is what you want. You just click on confirm swap and it's going to swap your smart BNB to your Wakanda Inu. So as you can see, everything here, and they say make sure your trust wallet everything. So I just click on approve. Transaction submitted. So I'm just going to click on close. Then I'll go back to my, as you can see right here, right now I've already purchased the Wakanda Inu coin. So as you can see, this is it. This is so amazing. So I've purchased the Wakanda Inu coin here, and this is how you too can purchase the Wakanda Inu coin. Just follow the process, purchase yours, and move forward. So that is it for this video. Ensure that you click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and also comment on this video so this video will get a boost on the YouTube algorithm. That is it. See you guys next time.